In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select any of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and hit apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, click on the same icon and this time select this plus under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!